Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing Linux cron tabs. Cron tab is basically a way to schedule tasks to be run at a certain time. So you can just provide the timings for your jobs like backups, archivals, or any other jobs, either to run it as a single execution or to run it as a repeated cycle. Let's get into it. So how you're gonna get into the interface for building your cron tab is by typing cron tab-e. So you see currently my cron tab is empty because I don't have any commands scheduled in my cron. So the syntax for a cron tab entry is something like this. So these 5 stars represents the timing. You can provide the username which has to run the cron job and then the command to be executed. The format of the timing is the first star represents the minutes, that is 0 to 59. The second star represents the hour, that is from 0 to 23. Next is the day of month, that is the date 1 to 31. The fourth one represents the month, that is from 1 to 12 for January, February, March, etc. And the last one is the day of the week, which varies from 0 to 6, 0 or 7 being Sunday, and the rest being Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. So the current time is 1:38. So let me schedule a job on cron tab. So I'll do cron tab -e to edit, and I'll enter the timings. So as I told you, the first one is minute. So let me run at 40th minute of the first hour and let it run on each day of the month, every month, and in each day of the week. And the command is just to list whatever is there in my home Vemara path, and let me redirect it to temp cronres.txt. So this is the cron job which I am scheduling. So it should run at 140 hours regardless of the date, the month, or the day of the week. So it's 1:39. So in the next minute my cron will run and create the output file. So now let me check cron res file, and you see the ls has run and the output is generated from the cron tab. So you can also schedule your cron tab to run your commands on a periodic cycle. Say for example, I can schedule this ls command to run at 5 a.m. maybe say on all Sundays. So every Sunday this ls command will run and this output will be generated. So what would be the practical application for this? You can use this for say running a monthly report on the storage. You can check df-h and you can store it to an output file. Say I want for every month, say on 10th of every month at 5 a.m. this df-h will run and this file will be generated. So every month 10th I can check out this file to know that what is my current storage usage. You can also run backups. For example, I can give that at 6 a.m. on 15th of May every year I want to run tar-cvf of my home directory. So it will just take a zip of my home directory. So this archiving will run every year on 15th of May at 6 a.m. Instead of running the commands, you can also use cron tab to directly run scripts. Say for example, I want to run a script at 4:30 a.m. at every day, every month, on every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I can just give the script path. Maybe to check the memory, I can use the script. So if the user who is scheduling this cron has the permission to run the script, this cron tab will execute on these timings. You can use cron tab-l to check what all cron jobs are scheduled in your cron tab. I hope that this short information was helpful to you. Thank you for watching my video.